Are you having trouble with your computer, phone, or other tech device? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot common tech problems, so you can fix them yourself like a pro. We all experience tech problems from time to time. Maybe your computer is running slowly, your phone won't connect to the internet, or your printer isn't working. Whatever the problem is, I'm here to help you fix it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of troubleshooting common tech problems. I'll show you how to identify the problem, find the solution, and fix it yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find value by the end of the video. Let's get started. Identify the problem. The first step to troubleshooting any problem is to identify it. What is the specific problem that you're having? Is your computer running slowly? Is your phone not connecting to the internet? Once you know what the problem is, you can start to narrow down the possible solutions. Here are some common tech problems and their possible solutions. Computer running slowly. 1. Restart your computer. 2. Close any unnecessary programs. 3. Update your software. 4. Defragment your hard drive. 5. Scan for viruses or malware. Phone not connecting to the internet. 1. Check your Wi-Fi or cellular connection. 2. Restart your phone. 3. Forget and reconnect to your network. 4. Reset your network settings. Printer not working. 1. Make sure your printer is turned on and plugged in. 2. Check the ink or toner levels. 3. Clear the paper jam. 4. Reinstall the printer drivers. Find the solution. Once you've identified the problem, you can start to find the solution. There are many different ways to troubleshoot tech problems. Some common solutions include 1. Restarting your device. This is a simple but often effective solution for many problems. 2. Checking your cables and connections. Make sure that all of your cables are properly plugged in and that there are no loose connections. 3. Updating your software. Outdated software can sometimes cause problems. 3. Make sure that you have the latest updates installed. 4. Uninstalling a faulty app. If you recently installed an app and started having problems, it's possible that the app is the culprit. 4. Try uninstalling the app and see if that fixes the problem. 5. Running a virus scan. Viruses and malware can cause a variety of problems. 5. Run a virus scan to make sure that your device is free of infection. Fix the problem. Once you've found a solution, it's time to fix the problem. Follow the steps that I've outlined in the video, and you should be able to get your tech device up and running again in no time. I hope this video has helped you learn how to troubleshoot common tech problems. If you're still having trouble, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for